Guys, and welcome to another video. This video is all about hinging cabinet doors. I'm going to show you a quick and easy jig to use that's going to make your life so much easier, even if you're just doing 2 hinges, 4 hinges, 8 hinges, or if you are doing a whole ton of hinges and you want to get that job done really fast. So boring out the 35mm hole and pre-drilling for your screws also. So this jig does it all. So stay tuned, watch to the end. Hope you enjoy. These concealed hinges, Euro hinges, whatever you want to call them, these are the great all-round hinges that you will probably use. They've got adjustment up and down, in and out, left and right, allowing the door to come backwards and forwards, left and right, up and down to suit your frame. So you've got 3 types of these hinges. You have full overlay, you've got half overlay, and you've got inset. We've got the full overlay here. This is the most common type. To see more information on these types of hinges, I'll leave a little link right at the top just there for you. Have a look at that video. It explains everything that you're going to need to know. But let's just get stuck into this jig. Let's just do it together. So this is the jig that I use at the moment. I also use a trend jig every now and then. For this video, I'm going to be showing you this Vico. I like the way it just clips on with the toggle clamp, and I like the way you can just swap over the components to fit inside this jig. Okay, so they've got the shape around there just to slot directly inside the jig. That's for the 35mm hole, and then you slot this one in to pre-drill for your fixings for your hinge. So just to go over quick basics, okay, so if we've got a small cabinet door, then I would generally come up 100 and down 100. 2 hinges is perfectly fine. If you have got a longer door or a bigger door, feel free to put 3 hinges on. If you've got a full length door, which is maybe 2.4 long, then 4 hinges. You've got mirror on it, 5 hinges. Yeah, what you need to do is flip the door over and drill into the back face. So there are plenty of jigs on the market, okay, but I just like this one because it's got a toggle clamp. It's got little stoppers here as well, so you can move these stoppers to go wherever you like to give you whatever positioning from the edge. I believe that this gives you a 4mm distance from the start of your hole. Let's just draw the circle in. So from the edge of the door to the start of your hole is 4mm on these settings. So that is what I'm going to keep it to. So next thing you would generally do is you would come up 100, okay, mark it and come down 100. And you've got 2 lines there, okay. So we've got a line there. Let's just square that over for you just so you can see it. We've got our 2 lines, and now we can use the points that are on the jig there and there to line up. Okay, just squeeze the toggle clamp. There we go, it's not going anywhere. Nice and solid. So the next thing you need to think about is your 35mm hinge cutter, okay, setting the depth. You've got a little collar here, okay, so the collar is adjustable. So you want to just make sure that when you drill this, it's deep enough to sink in this part of the hinge, okay, so from the underside to here. Once you've set up that collar and you're happy that it won't go any further, put that in the drill, we're good to go. We're happy that the jig is in place. Remember, we've used the correct stoppers to give us the right distance. We've set up the collar to be as deep as we want it. We can just pull that down. We can locate that into position like so. Gently lower your drill so the tip is hitting, and start your drill. There we go, we got a nice crisp hole really quickly. Okay, that took about 2 seconds to drill. All depending on the quality of your MDF. You've got really rubbish quality, it might go fluffy on you and might not give you a crisp hole, and you want to plunge that in and out a few times. I just went for it in one sweeping pass. Right, so now we've taken that that part of the jig out, we can now slot this part in. So next we're going to fit this 1.5mm drill bit into the drill. So we need to just make sure that we set our drill bit up to about 22mm, 12 on the jig, and then 10mm into the door. There you go, about 22mm. Next step, pre-drill. And that is as simple as it is to drill out your hinge. It's all done for us. We've got our fixing holes to fix our hinge into position, perfectly lined up with the holes for the fixings. There you go, 1, 2, we're using 4x20 screws, okay? And let's go ahead and nip that up. Don't over tighten. And there we go, guys. That is one hinge done. It's really, really simple. That would have taken you 2 or 3 minutes per hinge, if that. And yeah, nice and quick and simple. So this is the jig. I'll leave links in the description for you. It's a Vico, and it comes with a few extra bits. It comes with 35mm hole cutter. It comes with this section of the jig, and it comes with this part of the jig to be able to drill out for your fixings, and also the small drill bit. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more info on the hinges, don't forget to look at that video that I showed you earlier. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Ciao for now.